you like this video, please hit like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Don't forget to turn on your bell notification so that you don't miss any videos. Hi everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Padded Pedal Room. You'll notice that we have a new format. Sean the bassist will no longer be with us as there were some scheduling issues and he has chosen to go in another direction. Now, with that done, today we're going to do an unboxing and a quick overview of the Boss MD-200 modulation pedal. Here's the box. Let's see what we got in it. Take a look at what we got in here. In the initial package, you will notice that we have a feet. We have a, I'm not sure what this is. I don't know. If any of you read Japanese, you can maybe let me know what it says back here. What is this? Backstage pass. Alright. We have a using the unit safely. Installation or operation manual of sorts, safety. Backstage pass. And on the manual, the MD-200 manual. In the box, we also have three, I'm going to get this right now, AA batteries, right? Let's see here, AA, yes. 3 AA batteries. And yes, once again, same as the DD-200, she is quite padded. I'll tell you one thing, this thing is definitely not going to get damaged the way it's packaged. So let us see here what we got. Oh, I can't wait. Oh my god, look at this. This is beautiful. My stage is falling apart here, but it's beautiful. Let's get a close up here. Let's take a look here at what we got here, basically in the MD-200. We're going to see here. Rate knob, depth knob, level knob. We got a selector for our 12 modes. We've got 3 parameter knobs, which do different things depending on which mode we're in. You have a tap division, so you can change your tempo basically of your effect. We have a manual mode, and we have 4 memory, so we can save 4 of our favorite presets. You got your on off, and you got your tap tempo. And if you hold it, you go through your tap tempo. If you just tap it, you go through your memory banks. Here's a side shot where you can see you got a MIDI in and out with your USB. This is a special MIDI connector that Boss developed, which you're going to see a lot of in the near future. You can look up the specs on their website. And here's the back. So basically, you see you got your input A mono, you got your output A mono, and you got your Bs. You got your you can put a control button and an expression pedal. There's your 9-volt adapter. Basically, you can hook up in mono, in and out. You can do a 4-cable method. You can use it so you can set up an effects loop. So for example, let's say you want to put an overdrive pedal, you can cable it in there so that you can actually set up your overdrive. You can put it before or after the effect, which is actually pretty cool. And the expression pedal, it's also a nice feature. Next, we're going to go through the 12 modes that the MD-200 has. The first mode is a chorus mode. The second mode is a CE1 chorus. Now, if you adjust the parameter knob, you can even get a vibrato with this one. The next mode is the Flanger mode. The fourth mode is the Phasor mode. After that we have Vintage Phasor, which is modeled after MXR's Phase 90 from the 1970s. The next mode after that is the Classic Vibe, and this one is modeled from the Univibe. After this we have the Vibrato mode. There is a Tremolo mode, a Rotary mode, an Auto Wah, and then there is a Slicer mode. This is it's got like a rhythmic pattern type of effect. And after that we have the Overtone, which the Overtone it changes the pitch. And just a little side note is that in some of these effects you can also have some of them have a crunch or distortion, and some of them have like a fuzz mode that you can add to it. So it's actually really versatile pedal. Sounds pretty good. Well, this is me, Mr. DiMarzio, signing out. We will next on the padded pedal room. We will go through the 12 modes of the Boss MD-200. See you next time.